Hi guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Gemini app on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you want to install Google Gemini app or say want to save Google Gemini app on your Windows 11 10 system, here are the process. Open Chrome browser and here in the search field of your Chrome browser, type gemini.google.com and here Gemini app in browser open. Now click on three vertical dot against top right corner and here scroll down and hover the cursor on cast, save and share. Click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and hover the cursor on cast, save and share and choose install page as app. Click on it. Install this page as an app. Click on install. Now Google Gemini app successfully installed on your system as an app. Close the windows, go to your desktop where already close the window and go to your desktop, and here you will find a shortcut created Gemini app. Open it and enjoy Google Gemini as an app on your Windows.